This video is the how-to guide for the second generation of the Parkinson's walking aid, Agilitas. Turn it on by holding the button until the green light activates. Clip onto your belt, waistband, or the included cane adapter. Loosen the locking nut to position the laser. Tap once to shine the laser and position the laser dot 2 to 3 meters in front of you, so you can easily see it when walking. Then tighten the locking nut to fix the position. Agilitas starts in automatic mode. It automatically detects walking problems and shines a laser to cue you to step, so you can walk with confidence again. A single tap gives you a 3-second laser cue when needed. For obstacle-filled areas, press the button to keep the laser active. To turn off, hold the button until the red light activates. Agilitas Generation II has 4 levels of sensitivity. To adjust the sensitivity, start with the device turned off. Then hold the button for 5 seconds until the light flashes orange. The light and laser will then flash. The number of flashes equals the sensitivity level. Press the button to change the level. Level 1 is the least sensitive. Press the button again to change to level 2. Press the button again to change to level 3. Press the button again to change to level 4. Level 4 is the most sensitive. To save the setting, push the button until the device turns off. Turn the device back on to begin use. When the light flashes orange, the device needs charging. To charge, plug the supplied cable into the device, and then plug the USB end into a USB charger. The red light will stay on while charging, and turns off when charging is complete. To attach the cane adapter, unscrew the 2 bolts with the included Allen key, and remove one of the bolts. Position the adapter near the top of the cane and reattach the bolt and nut. Then tighten both bolts until secure. Then clip the Agilitas onto the adapter. Agilitas Generation II, manufactured in Australia by Bright Devices.